Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you all to the inaugural function of GYAN course on sustainable biomanufacturing of high-value phytochemicals. GYAN, the global initiative of academic networks, has been a visionary program in enriching India's academic landscape with best international experience by providing a platform for the exchange of knowledge and ideas on a global scale, thus fostering innovation and academic excellence. Being in line with E3 policy, this GYAN course focuses on niche area of sustainable biomanufacturing of high-value plant-derived natural products using plant and microbial biofactories. This not only has the potential to conserve nature, but also fulfills the increasing market demand for phytochemicals in various commercial applications. For this, today we are honored to have with us Dr. Vignesh Muthuvijayan, Associate Chair of Center for Outreach and Digital Education, COVID Program, and Professor at Department of Biotechnology, IIT Madras. We welcome you, sir. Next, joining us as our invited course instructor, Dr. Natalie, Professor and Director of Plant Biomolecules and Biotechnologies Laboratory at University of Tours, France. Focuses on identifying and characterizing the specialized metabolic pathways of medicinal plants and developing biotechnological and metabolic engineering processes for producing high-value molecules with potential industrial transfer across pharmacological, cosmetic, biocontrol, and phytosanitary applications. We welcome you, ma'am. Next, joining us as our course coordinator, Dr. Smita Srivastava, Professor at Department of Biotechnology, IIT Madras, and faculty in charge of IITM Bioincubator. Her research focuses on rationally integrating bioprocess and cellular engineering principles for optimizing yield and productivity of high-value metabolites from microbial and plant systems at shake flask and reactor levels for commercial applications. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you all for joining us today. Now, I invite our course coordinator, Professor Smita Srivastava, for a welcome note.
So good morning to all the participants who are present here. I just made a small note of welcome for you people, which I'll just read it out. As the course coordinator of this course, it is my pleasure to welcome all the participants who have gathered here from various parts of the country. It is heartening to note your interest in this niche area of research and development, and which has immense potential also to have a socio-economical impact in the country. And also with the current Bio E3 policy, there is a good potential to use this particular area and tool to make contributions to Atmanirbhar Bharat and also to Viksit Bharat. This short course is a joint attempt of IIT Madras and University of Tours to create awareness among the young researchers like you and also the budding entrepreneurs, to especially in the area of life sciences and biotechnology, to know more about this domain and its application. And also, it has come at the right time where there is an upsurge in the increase, not only in the domestic market, but also in the global demand for natural products. So therefore, it is the need of the hour. And I don't know how many of you have gone through the Bio E3 policy announcement, which recently happened, in which there is a lot of impetus on sustainable development. So this particular course, its application is very much aligned with the sustainable development of the country. And now, regarding the course, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Professor Nathalie from University of Tours, France, to have accepted our invitation to be to help us and to assist us also in conducting this course, and also bringing in a global perspective in this particular domain when people are trying to develop cell biofactories for producing many of these high-value phytochemicals. She has more than 3 decades of rich experience, so it will be good to hear her out and see her perspective in this domain. Once again, a warm welcome to all of you, and I look forward to an enthusiastic interaction with all of you during the course. Thank you and wish you all the best for a fruitful course ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for setting up the stage with the importance of the course with a warm welcome. I now invite Associate Code of Chair IIT Madras, Professor Vignesh Muthuvijayan, to share a few words addressing the participants.
Thank you. So, GYAN has been a very excellent initiative of the Government of India, where we have been able to bring in partners from across the globe and impart knowledge to people in India. So, this has been an extremely successful program, and I'm very glad and excited to see that initiative is being brought into the biotech department, especially in this domain of sustainability, which has huge scope and it is the need of the hour today. So I'm really excited about this. So I also wanted to mention about the code, which is the center which organizes these events, and we work on outreach activities like Gyan course. So I'm really happy to see that there's enthusiastic participation from people across the country. And we were worried about what the turnout is going to be considering the weather and other conditions, and I'm glad to see that the auditorium is almost full. I hope that you participate throughout the course with the same enthusiasm. Please make use of this opportunity to interact with some of the top people in the field. And saying that, I would like to welcome Professor Natalie. So I'm really happy that you're here trying to impart knowledge and actually interact and collaborate with people from India. So I know Professor Smita was visiting your university, and there has been an established relationship, and I hope it grows further. And I hope the participants also benefit greatly by interacting with you. Thank you for being here. Welcome you all. Have a fruitful interaction during this session.
Thank you, sir, for highlighting the importance of the course and its need of the hour. And now I'm delighted to welcome our invited course instructor, Professor Natalie, for sharing her views on the course with the participants.
So thank you, and I'm really happy to be here. Thanks for all the participants to come to follow this lecture. It's not easy for me to have a so heterogeneous public for this type of lecture, so I hope it will be easy for you to follow us. But before that, I want to thanks really warmly Professor Smita to invite me to participate to this program. It's a very nice program. I didn't know it before, so I found it's a very excellent initiative to give this type of lecture, and also it is a way to create strong collaboration between two laboratories, Professor Smita and mine, and we are concerned exactly by the same purpose, means creating some cell factories that are able to produce high-value molecules, and we share different topics together, and we hope to transmit how what it is essential for our research to you, and to share with you also what this domain become very important in the domain to produce, in particular, drugs for pharmaceuticals product. So it's very important for us to transmit this information, and also to create emulation, okay, between you and us. So thanks for being here, and thanks for the invitation to participate to this very important programs. And I'm impatient to start. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your encouraging words. And we are also excited to learn with you over the course of 2 weeks. And now, as a part of the inaugural session, on behalf of the organizing team, we would like to present a small token of appreciation to Professor Natalie. For this, may I invite Professor Vignesh Muthuvijayan to kindly present the memento on behalf of IIT Madras to Professor Natalie. Thank you, sir. May I also invite Professor Smita Srivastava to kindly present a small token of appreciation to Professor Natalie on behalf of the organizing team. Thank you, ma'am. On that note, we are at the end of the inaugural session, and the course is now open for lecture series. On behalf of the organizing team, I thank all the esteemed dignitaries for their gracious presence, and I wish all the best to the participants for an enriching learning experience. Thank you all.